In this video, we will walk you through the setup of PowerStream's system on the EcoFlow app. On Homepage, click Add Device or the upper right plus icon. Click on your microinverter to connect. After the device is connected, you'll be automatically redirected to the network configuration. Select your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Then click Next to continue. Once the connection is done, it's time to give your home solar system a beautiful name. Choose how you're using your microinverter, with or without a power station. If you use your inverter alone with no power station, then you can skip the power station setup and be redirected to the system's interface. If you're using it with a power station, click Continue. Next, it automatically redirects you to the interface of Power Supply Priority, where you can decide how you'd like to use the energy. When you choose to prioritize power supply, the system prioritizes feeding energy into your home circuits. When you choose to prioritize power storage, charging the power station comes first. Once you have selected one power supply mode, you will jump to this page. AC output power demand is for you to set a bar on how much energy you'd like to feed into your home on top of your smart plug device's usage. Pair with smart plugs. Add your smart plug to the app. If you need to pair more than one smart plug, plug them into AC sockets first, and then add them on the app. Then select your Wi-Fi and enter the password. Once the connection is done, you will see the green check mark. You can also connect your microinverter and smart plugs at the same time. Click on the devices you wish to connect and tap All to select them all. And the same steps as before. Manage the PowerStream Microinverter. Click on the microinverter to enter its home page. Here's where you can see the system performance. Manage the smart plug. Click on the smart plug and enter its home page. Here you can turn on or off the connected appliance. In this section, you can view how long you've been using it, current energy usage, and cumulative consumption of the day. Click this little arrow on the right and you get to see the usage statistics by day, week, month, and year. Scheduled on-off is where you set a specific time at which the plug automatically switches on or off. Delayed off, quite self-explanatory, set a duration of time after which the plug turns off. In the settings, adjust the brightness of the indicator and the limit for overload protection. When the connected appliance's usage exceeds the set value for 10 seconds, the smart plug will automatically turn off. PowerStream System. Click Space and enter the system's home page. Here you can see data of the entire system. Click Setup. As you can see here, set your local currency and the price of electricity. Based on your preset currency and electricity rate, here you can learn how much you've saved in terms of energy and money from day one using the system. Click the little arrow on the right and see power generation, consumption, and your savings by day, week, month, and year. The left section displays the solar input. The right side tells you the charge/discharge level of the power station. If it's a positive number, it's getting a recharge. Negative means discharging. There are 3 sections at the bottom. Starting from the left, you see the number of smart plugs, and right underneath is the sum of all connected devices' current usage. The middle section tells you the output of the inverter, besides the part given to the smart plug devices, and last, how much energy this system's drawing from the grid. Click the upper right button and enter Settings. You can also access the power supply priority and AC output power demand in Settings. In Scheduled Tasks, you can set a specific time frame and repeat cycles for the 2 modes of usage priority. Pair smart plugs with a Matter-compliant smart home system. Download a smart home app that supports the Matter protocol, such as Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, or Google Home. Next, sign up or log in to your account on the app. If you have any other third-party control devices, like a smart speaker, make sure you set them up as well. Plug in smart plugs and press the power button till you see the LED indicator turn blue. According to the section Pair with Smart Plugs, connect your plugs with the EcoFlow app. Use your smart home app to scan the Matter QR code on smart plugs and complete the pairing process. Name your smart plug and you're done. Once connected, you can turn on/off the smart plugs through your smart home app. You can also use voice control if your smart home app and smart speaker permit it. Taking Google Home as an example, click the upper left plus icon to access Add and Manage, then click Set Up Device. Then on this interface, select New Device, click Home, and then click Next. Select Matter Enabled Device and then scan the Matter QR code on your smart plug. Then click Agree under the privacy policy. Now you can use the Smart Home app to turn on/off your smart plugs. But keep this in mind. If you want advanced control and real-time energy data, you'll need the EcoFlow app. For more tutorial videos, check out our EcoFlow channel.